Assalamu alaikum. In the last lesson, we have already discussed introducing formula and functions. In this lesson, we will teach you symbols, operators, and precedence. In the first of all, I will teach you what is precedence. Precedence is the level whenever you go for the mathematical terms or calculations, you have to understand some precedence level. For the precedence, which one you will work first? Here are the lists. See that precedent level is here. So you have to work by the precedence level. Before I talk for the precedence, I will talk must the parenthesis. What is parenthesis? In mathematical terms, bracket are various typographical forms such as parenthesis. Square bracket, brace, and angle bracket are frequently used in mathematical notations. So come to the point, what is symbol, operators, and precedence? Here are the list of symbols, and we will measure the precedence. First of all, it's a colon, operator range. It's called range. Our precedent level is 1. Whenever we work first, then we'll complete the clone work. It's called the range work. After that, we'll work for the space work. It's called the intersection. Its precedent level is 2. After that, we'll work for comma. It's called union, which precedent level is 3. After that, it's a hyphen, but we'll call the negations. Its precedent level is 4. Then we'll work for percentage. Its precedence level is 5. Then exponential operators, its precedence level is 6. And multiplications and divisions, both are the same precedence. Plus and minus, which call addition and subtractions, the same precedence level is 8. After that, it's and concatenations, its precedent level is 9. Then after that, these are the logical symbols. Its precedent level is the same 10s. So if we observe that, see that formula, here is 1. If I double click, here is range are selected. See that here is the first range operators. After that, here is space. So first our range operators precedence level is 1. Then space. Here is task completed first, here 2, here. After that, here is multiplications, then 50% divided by 53. Okay, see that down area. First of all, have completed the range operators. After that, space, then completed the multiplications. So here to here, first calculated 106. After that, multiplication is 50%, which means 0.5. So here is calculated 106 into 0.5 divided by 53. The first task completed 106 into 0.5, it's 53, divided by 53, the total calculation result is 1. That result is 1. If we go in the first row here, so here is the formula bar, you can watch easily. E4 plus F4 plus G4 plus H4, the total, it's easily calculations 180. It's badly we have completed this. Observe here, I will calculate it here. 45 plus 78 plus 45 plus 12. After that I will multiplications 5. You would be guess that total result will be 900, because here is E4, F4 and G4, H4. Total calculation was 180 into 180 plus 5, it should be 900. See the result in your font, the total is 228, the wrong answer. How? Because they have calculated the precedent level. First is multiplications, they have calculated multiplications, then they have calculated the plus sign. So if I calculate it for the correct way, we have to use the parenthesis. So I am here giving the parenthesis, started parenthesis, then closed here. See that total result is 900. So this way we can calculate it, the parenthesis, and get the exact correct answer. Here is another example. See that here is another formula. After that here is completed plus and minus signs activities, then have completed the exponential operators and then multiplication operators. After the completions, here is completed the plus sign operators, then exponential operators have done the activities, then result was 32. After that multiplications is existing, then 8.33 plus 154, then plus 1.881 divided by G4 and F6. See that result is 1.8 into multiplications F6. Here is the result. You can see this way have completed the whole activities. So these are the lessons. We have just introduced your operators precedence. So video I will show the how. In the next lesson I will show how the critical formulas use in easily. So this is the formula. In the next lesson I will show you how you can easily use.